Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about learning 2 visual Rubik's Cube magic tricks. Okay, so basically I found a video, it's pretty cool, and basically I'm going to be learning some of the magic tricks and you can learn as well. Now the good thing about this is that it's not any hard tricks, they're pretty easy and you don't need to memorize and learn how to use the Rubik's Cube to learn these tricks. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, so here we have the iPad. I got it on a YouTube video called Rubik's Cube Bag Solve Magic Trick. If you want to look at it, you just search that up. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Hi guys, as promised, today I'm going to show you how to do a cool little trick with the Rubik's Cube. Here we go.
Okay.
So the first thing you guys need to learn is the mix-up. So I'm going to show you from this side, so as if you're the spectator. There's the cube, and we're just going to mix it up. And that's literally it. Those 4 moves is the mix-up, and then if we want to take it back, and voila. What? Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so this time I'm going to do the shuffle up, so that you can watch it, alright? This is how it will look from my angle. So I'm going to put it with the green side facing me and the white side at the bottom. Just makes it easier so I know what I'm doing. And you get 1 move, 2 move, 3 move and 4 move.
3 move.
And that is it mixed up. And if I want to get it back, just go 1 move, 2 move, 3 move and 4 move. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to do that slowly. And I'm going to do it again so you can see, alright? So what we want to do is literally just hold the cube like that. So there's these 4 here. Just put your fingers around there and the same on the other side. And now we're just going to take our finger here and push this one across. Then I'm going to take this finger here and push that up. Now I'm going to slide my thumb down a bit. Now I'm going to go push those 2 and push those 2. That was all the 4 moves we just did there.
Alright, so that was pretty easy. Nothing too hard. But, yeah, so I'm going to try that out. I've sort of made my own version. It's the same 4 moves. It's just a little bit easier for me, so... Alright, so let's test it out. Oh, I forgot my hat. Alright, now I need a brown paper bag. Servant, get me my brown paper bag.
Yes, right away, my king. Here you go. I'm sorry I took so long. Please don't punish me. Anything for making me watch your videos, please.
That's okay. Now I need a Rubik's Cube. Servant, get me my Rubik's Cube.
I can't find it. Oh, is this it? I threw it away.
Make you watch my video. We're having some technical difficulties. New magic trick. How to make your Rubik's Cube disappear.
Here you go, sir. I will get my revenge one day.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Anyway, let's get the Rubik's Cube. There we go. Alright, so you've got the Rubik's Cube. You're going to mess it up like usual. And there, it's done. I'm going to get the brown... Now, you can either solve it while you're putting it in, and then show it, or whatever you're showing it to. That didn't make sense, did it? Anyway, or you could be solving it while you're taking it out. The trick is not to make lots of that noise, because then they're going to figure out you're solving it while you're doing it. So yeah, that's the real trick, but yeah, there's no real art to it, but you just solve it like that while you're putting it in the brown paper bag. So let's test this theory out. Maybe you could do 1 or 2 moves going into the bag, like this. 1, 2, and then another 3, 4, or 3, taking it out. To be like, yep, that's all cool, yep. And then, wow, it's solved. So that's how you do the brown paper bag Rubik's Cube magic tutorial. And it's vanished. Nah, it's just the power of editing. But basically, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe for more good-ish content. Yeah, thanks for watching.